on, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to transcribe voice notes on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has introduced this new feature called transcription, voice transcription, and with this feature you can just transcribe voice notes or voice messages on WhatsApp. So let's learn how to do it. The first thing you need to do is enable it by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner, tapping on settings, tap on chats, then make sure this is turned on and choose the language you want to be transcribed into. After you've done that, then you go back to the chat that you want to transcribe and then you tap on retry. If it's not there, simply press down on the voice note, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on transcribe. Now as you can see, this is just a 1 second audio note. It is still taking a little bit of time to transcribe. This could be due to network, but the longer the notes, the longer it should take to transcribe it for you. So it is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to transcribe voice notes on WhatsApp. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful on how to transcribe voice notes on WhatsApp.